Hello. In today's video, we'll explore how to manage your team across multiple locations using Altegio's Chain Staff and Chain Users feature. If your business operates across several locations and your staff members rotate between them, this video is for you. First, open the chain interface by clicking your location's name in the top left corner of the screen. From there, select the appropriate option under Chains to proceed. Once you're in the chain interface, navigate to the Staff menu and click on the first option, also labeled Staff. This page displays all employees who are part of your chain, giving you a complete overview of your team across all locations. The list also shows key details like each employee's status, their name, and how many locations they're assigned to. You can easily narrow down the list of displayed employees by using filters like Position, Activity Status, and Employment Status. To add a new employee to your chain, click the Add Staff button in the top right corner. Enter their name, Robert for example, assign a position if applicable, and specify their specialization, Barber for example. When everything is filled out, click Save. Clicking on an employee's name opens their detailed profile. In the Information section, you can view and update details like their name, position, specialization, work status, description, and even update their photo. The Additional Information section allows you to enter more specific details about the employee, including their full name, employment dates, contact information, citizenship, gender, passport details, tax identification number, and insurance information. Finally, in the Locations section, you'll see which locations the employee is currently assigned to, as well as other locations where they can be added. To update this, simply check or uncheck the boxes next to each location's name, then click Save to apply the changes. Now let's talk about positions. To manage them, open the Staff menu and choose Positions. Here you can see all positions that you might have already added. These define an employee's level of expertise in their field, such as Master Barber or Amateur Nail Technician. To add a new position, click the Add a Position button in the top left corner. Then, enter the position's name, for example, Student. If you'd like, you can also add a brief description to clarify the role. You can also choose which locations the position will be available at by checking the box next to each location's name. You can also set mandatory requirements for each position. To do this, enable the option Required fields must be completed before assigning this position, then select which fields are mandatory. These fields must be filled in for an employee before you can assign them to that position. Additionally, you can enable the setting Allow staff to assign positions only within the chain by checking the corresponding box. The Set of Services section lets you link specific services to a position, so they're automatically assigned to staff members holding that role. To do this, click the Attach Services button, choose the services you want from the list, and confirm by clicking Apply. You can also enable the Strict Binding option to ensure that services can only be assigned to employees who have the corresponding position applied. Once you're finished, press the Save button to add the position to your chain. You can also edit already existing positions by either clicking on their name or the pencil icon next to their name. Next, in the Merge into Chain menu, you can add employees who are already added to your location to your chain. Here you can see all employees of your locations. On the top, you can select which location's employees should be displayed. On the left, you'll find all employees from the selected location. The middle section displays those already added to your chain. On the right, you can assign positions to any employee in the system. To add an existing employee to your chain, select their name from the list on the left, if necessary, assign them a position using the panel on the right, and then click the Rescheduler button to complete the process. If you'd like to add every employee from a location to your chain at once, just select the Transfer All option on the left, then click the Transfer All button on the right to confirm. If you find any duplicated employees by mistake, you can merge them by first selecting the duplicate from the list on the left, then selecting the correct profile in the middle tab, and clicking the Merge button on the right to combine them. Keep in mind that merging employees is a permanent action. Only proceed when you're absolutely sure the profiles belong to the same person. That's all for this video. Make sure to watch our next video where we dive deeper into Altegio's Chain Staff and User section. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via support chat bubble, WhatsApp, or Telegram, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you next time.